Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my friend David. Hi David.
Hi, Nate.
From 1236 Garage. I'm gonna put his information down below. He's gonna help me today with my R8. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna be installing the front lip and the honeycomb mesh grill.
Nice.
It's gonna be nice, guys.
That's gonna be cool. He's got a fabulous R8 here, and so he knows what to do. So let's get on with it. All right, David. So what we're gonna do is get all of this off, right? All of the inside cover. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we're gonna start taking out all the different screws that attach the front bumper.
Let me see if I can show. Yeah, there's a number of screws. How many? Oh, they're all Torx, right?
Yep.
All right, that's good. All Torx. Yeah, every Audi owner will relate. We're gonna organize everything on zip locks because there's a lot of screws that we need to remove. All right, guys, so now we're removing the bumper screws. Yeah, all the bumper screws are coming out after doing the wheel arches, and that should help get the bumper out. There you go. Okay, so the screws are out. We're gonna get the car down in the lift again, and then we're gonna remove the screws on the top, right? All right, that's next. All right.
We're gonna start removing all the different panels in order to get exposed all the screws from the front bumper. You can see a couple of them here, but we have other ones.
So these are flat head, and then the bumper is gonna be Torx again, right? All right. All right, David, what did we do here? We put some tape.
We're putting some blue tape in order to avoid to scratch this panel
When we get it out,
we're
right?
taking it out with the point of the hook.
That's your experience because you scratched once,
Yeah.
right? All right, sounds good. Let's remove all of the screws, and then we'll remove the panel. Supposed to be out. There you go. We got our money shot, my friend. It's a family show. It's out. It's out, baby. There you go. All right. This is what's below the surface. Yeah, there's a bunch of Torx now. If I were to change the headlights, this is the time, but we're not doing that. All right, David, what are we doing?
After we take out the bumper, we have to disconnect this main connector in order to be able to take the bumper out.
Okay.
This provides all the electricity for all the different electric equipment in the front bumper.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, bumper is out. This is my radar detector, so we need to attach this to the new grill. When that happens, and then the bumper is out. I think we did good, David. Gonna vacuum a little bit here. It's a good opportunity to do that. Maybe clean a little bit and
Clean the recoolers, all the leaves.
yeah, there's some leaves and stuff. And then we're gonna get going with the grill. All right. All right, David, we're gonna remove the grill, right?
Yeah.
How many screws?
And we have like 12 screws all around the grill. After we take those,
And they're all
you can see
Torx.
on top, and you can see here on the side.
Okay.
We should be able to take it out.
All right. All the screws removed, we're ready to get it out. Comes out super easy.
Yeah.
Easier than I thought,
Very
actually.
simple piece. Now we can work on the other one.
Yeah, we're gonna install this honeycomb. It's gonna look awesome. Let me do some cleaning here before we do that. All right. New honeycomb grill. Fitment is not perfect, right? Almost. As you can see here, we had to make a cut because I have a radar detector, so we need to get it through there. But that's not a common problem.
No sé con qué me golpeé.
All right, David. So we're gonna start with the front lip. You can see here the carbon fiber. That's gonna look awesome. But then first we need to remove the OEM front lip, right? And then in order to do that, we're gonna use the prying tool, that one. And then we need to remove each of those clips, right? So that then we can remove the original, and then the carbon fiber one will just fit right into it, right? So let's remove the first and see how that looks. Do I need to do something from the other side? We're good? Hey guys, so we removed the original front lip, and now we have this this rubbery part. It just comes out of the original, and it just you know, snaps into this one, and it's important because that's for curb protection. And now, the moment of truth, we're gonna make sure that the tabs align, and we're gonna install it. Yeah. Let's see. I wanna hear at least one.
Not yet.
For the video. Yeah, we're close. That's gonna be nice. And then if that happens, then it's a matter of getting all the screws in. It's aligning, right? That's important. It's perfectly aligned. Gonna put the information below of the supplier. These guys in Texas, I mean, they did a great job with the carbon fiber. It's going in, it's going in. I can feel it. Sweet. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit of elbow grease, but it's gonna go in. All right, guys. So we put the bumper back up. We put the radar detector with zip ties on the grill. We're gonna put the R8 emblem later, and now once it's in place, you can see the carbon fiber lip. Looks fantastic. Now we are screwing it back into place. There's a few of those. We're gonna lower the car again, and it's almost done, right? I'll show you just in a minute. All right, guys, so we installed the bumper, put all the screws back, lower the car, and now we are installing the trim pieces again. And I think that's gonna be it. I mean, it looks great. I'm gonna put the R8 emblem there later, and I'm gonna do some blackout emblems, which we'll probably do in a different video. All right, David, job well done, my friend. All the trim is in, and that's a job completed. Wonderful.
See you guys in the next one.
All right, the next one, what are we gonna do in the next one?
The next one, we're gonna install the side skirts.
Side skirts, that's gonna be a separate video.
Mirrors.
And then the rear diffuser and the spoiler and the side mirrors in carbon fiber. Stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, remember to subscribe. I'll put the information down below. And thank you for following. Take care.